Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay, love you guys.
Something that I am so passionate about. Something that I am very proud to be associated with. A company that's a young, dynamic, very astute, very professionally driven, vibrant, versatile. Well, she's a lady, she's a mother, but I call her Oberibeso. She does the things that are out of the ordinary. She's very exceptional, very detailed, very intelligent, very focused driven. She's actually one of us here today. We are very, very happy to be associated with you. My brother kings that are here, we have professors in our midst that are now Oba.